Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This tutorial shows you how to use stop limit on Binance. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like the video. If you're trading crypto and you want to automatically buy or sell at a specific price, then stop limit orders are a very important tool to learn. First, open the Binance app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, tap Trade, select Spot Trading. This will open the trading interface where you can place different types of orders. Next, choose the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade. For example, BTC/USDT, ETH/USDT, tap the pair at the top of the screen and select the coin you want to trade. By default, Binance usually shows limit or market order. To use stop limit, tap on the order type menu. Select stop limit. You will now see three fields: stop price, limit price, amount. Here, how they work: stop price. This is the price that triggers the order. Limit price. This is the actual price your order will be placed at after the stop price is reached. Example, let's say Bitcoin is trading at $60,000. You want to sell if price drops to $58,000. You could set stop price, 58,000, limit price, 57,900. When the market hits $58,000, Binance will automatically place your sell order at $57,900. Now enter the amount of crypto you want to trade. You can use the percentage buttons like 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. Once everything looks correct, tap Sell or Buy. Your stop limit order will now appear in the Open Orders section. You can always check your stop limit order by scrolling down to Open Orders. If the stop price hasn't been triggered yet, the order will stay there. Once the stop price is reached, Binance will automatically place the limit order. Before using stop limit orders, remember these tips. Always set the limit price slightly below the stop price when selling. Use stop limit to protect profits or limit losses. Double-check the numbers before placing the order. This helps avoid mistakes during fast market movements. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.